Friends, you all know about freelancing. What kind of work can we do in freelancing? What kind of work can be done in freelancing? If you know Excel or you are learning Excel with us, so you can earn a good amount of money through part-time freelancing. You can earn 5 to $10 by working 10 to 15 minutes. Here are some ways you can make money with Excel in freelancing. We inform you about it. What kind of work is it and how can we do it? Watch this video till the end and you will learn. I am Farhan and you are watching Digi Mastery channel. Let's start. First of all, we open Fiverr website, how freelancers are working and see how freelancers are making money through Excel. In this search box, we type data cleaning and format and click on this search button. Here you can see how many people there are and all of them are freelancers who are making money with Excel. If we click on this gig, this freelancer is charging $10 for data cleaning and that is basic package, and this dataset is depend on 100 rows and 5 columns. We can perform this kind of work in just under 5 to 15 minutes. If we see standard package, this freelancer charging $45 and the size of data is 500 rows and 5 columns. And if we check premier package, and this freelancer charge in premium package $90 for data cleaning. If you know Excel and you work 30 to 45 minutes, you can earn more money, but only thing you know is Excel. If you cannot know this work, you stay with us and we will teach you all this. Let me show you a sample of what kind of data there is. You can see this dataset, which is very complex. If you know Excel, you can do easily. To save our original data, first we make a copy to this dataset. Right click on sheet, go to move or copy, click on create a copy, select move to end and press OK. And also rename both sheets. Now if we control plus and down arrow, you can see last record. We have 665 rows. 665 rows in this dataset. Control plus up arrow, go back to first cell. Now client requirement is that to clean data according to the required field, which are order date, name, email, phone number and state. Now we analyze data according to the requirement of our client and delete all extra data like this. Select these extra column and right click here and select delete option. If we click on this cell, you can see our required data is in this record. We have name, email address, phone number and state name all in one cell, but all data is mixed up. And these fields are also we are not required. Select and delete these columns also. Now clean this dataset according to our client requirement. You can see here name, colon, also you see comma. Now here we find some pattern or common things. It may be colon, comma, semicolon, space. All these things are pattern. First we delete all blank rows. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus L. Apply filter. Click on this drop down and deselect this. Go to end and select blanks. Press OK. Select all blank rows and delete these blank rows. And now remove filter. Press Ctrl Shift L again. Now you can see all blanks are deleted. If you see our Excel tutorials, you already know this. Watch our Excel tutorials. Just few minutes, we able to do this task very easily. Now go ahead, select all columns here, go to Data tab and go to Data Tool Group and select Text to Column option. Here you select Delimited and go to Next. Now here uncheck this tab, select comma and in other we enter colon. Go to Next and press Finish. Now you can see all data is separate and clean in different columns. Now here we have also unwanted data in columns. Select that data and delete it. Now apply header, name, email, phone number and state. Here in last column you can see after state name we have bracket. If we remove one by one, we take a lot of time. How to remove this? No problem friends, this is very easy. Just select entire column and press Ctrl H. Here we write close bracket and in this place remain blank and press replace all. Now you can see all close brackets are removed. Now format this data like this. Now you can see this data is August month record. If you have skill, you take less time to clean this type of data. If you following our Excel tutorial, you can do this very easily and earn passive income. There is some competition, but your dedication remove all the hurdles. Focus on your skill learning and earn as a freelancer. I hope you will enjoy this video. Subscribe to my channel, like and share it. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.